Hello, welcome to Math 3A College Algebra in the summer of 2021. I'm your instructor, Mr. Heron, and let me just run through some things really quickly to get you going in the course. First off, what do you need for this course? You need to have a laptop or desktop computer with a webcam. We will be taking our exams using a webcam. It'll make a video of you. Let me just apologize from the beginning. I'm sorry if you don't like that. I have to keep security somehow in this online world just to make sure that it's not your smart friend sitting there with you taking the exam. So you do have to have a laptop or a desktop with a webcam. If you don't have that, you can check it out from Fresno City College. We have those available for free through the library. So just go to the library and check one out. So let me know if you have any trouble with that. Be glad to help. You also need a scientific calculator. Any scientific calculator will work. You don't have to have a graphing calculator. Those are nice, but it's not required. Any scientific calculator will work. And this is college algebra. Let's talk about what it is. This is college algebra. We're going to cover advanced algebra. So this course is you're already comfortable with basic algebra and intermediate algebra. And then you're ready to do advanced algebra. I realize not everybody's actually there. That just means you'll have to put in a little bit more work. I'm glad to answer questions on previous stuff and bring you up to speed. But all the help you need is here and available for you. This course is Math 3A. If you take this course, Math 3A, and then Math 4A, which is trig, together they make you ready for calculus. Or you can do 3A and 4B. Either way, 3A, 4A, or 3A, 4B will get you ready for calculus. And this is the prerequisite for calculus. Either road will work. And so what that means is this is pretty advanced algebra, pretty tough stuff because it's getting you ready for calculus. So let's go on to the textbook. No textbook required. There is a textbook, but it's free. It's embedded in the Canvas course shell already, and it's actually excellent. The homework system is excellent as well. It's free and excellent, which isn't always go together, does it? But in this case, it does. And I have a whole other video after this one explaining how the homework system works. I encourage you to watch that one. It'll be really helpful. It'll be worth the time to watch it because it'll tell you how to use the system quickly and easily, save you some time, and time is important. So let's go on. What else is on my list to cover here? Oh, in this course, basically, we're going to have two kinds of assignments. Lecture homeworks, which are due 1 hour after lecture, and then regular homeworks, which are due at midnight. So Monday through Thursday, I will meet with you for 2 hours, and I'll do what are usually 2 lecture homework assignments. So I'll cover those, and I'll be doing problems, and then you'll be doing problems at the same time. In fact, we'll be doing the same problems. It's just different numbers. It randomizes the numbers for everybody. So we'll have 7 or 8 problems in the first hour for the first section, and then 7 or 8 problems in the second hour for the second section. That's a typical day. And you'll have those. So I'll show you how to do them. You'll be doing them on your version. And usually you'll get them done right in those 2 hours. If you have a little trouble, you have 1 more hour after lecture to get them finished up. And then the same thing, just longer, is due at midnight, called a regular homework. So for both of those 2 sections, there will be 2 regular homeworks will be due at midnight, which is exactly the same as the lecture homework. It's just longer. There's just more of them, maybe 18, 19 questions instead of 7 or 8. So it's all the same thing. So every day, lecture homework due an hour after lecture. I'll do those with you during lecture. And then at midnight, 2 regular homeworks are due, same stuff. Now, lecture's not required. You don't have to come. I'm not taking roll attendance ever. In fact, all the videos are already attached to all the homework problems. So if you just want to work on it the day before on your own, when you get stuck, click on my little video links. You'll see them. I'll show you where those are at in the homework system video. I show that. Click on those. It's my videos from last semester showing you how to do the problems. You can just do them on your own whenever it's convenient for you. And you don't ever have to come to lecture. Not required. Now, typically, more than half the class usually comes to lecture because it's good help and I can answer your questions and stuff. But if you're pretty strong at math and you want to just do the work on your own and get it done, great. As long as it's done ahead of time by you'll see the due dates and the times. Great. You don't ever have to come to lecture. You can just watch the videos, do the work on your own time. As long as you're getting things in on time, you're good. Now, if you start missing homework assignments and they're not turned in on time or you don't turn them in at all, you will be dropped from the class. It says in the syllabus you can miss homeworks. you will be dropped from the class. So that's how I do roll and attendance and participation. Are you doing those homeworks, getting those done? So you can do them on your own, or you can do them with me on the during lecture, 2 hours a day. All right, my exams in this class come right from the homework. It's exactly the same thing. So do a good job on that homework. I'll give you practice exams, which are the same thing, and then the real exams, exactly the same thing. And you can ace this class. We have an excellent tutor, Elijah Mua. He'll be here to help you. He'll be sending you his hours as well. Lots of help is available. My office hours are Monday through Thursday, 12 to 1 on Zoom. The Zoom link is the same link I use for homework. I mean, for lecture, for everything. It's just one link. And you can find it on the Canvas course homepage, upper left-hand corner, Confer Zoom. Just click on that. There's my link for my office hours, Monday through Thursday, 12 to 1. Same link for lecture, same link for everything. And how do you pass this class? Because it's going to be hard. It's going to be advanced algebra, not easy stuff. We're going to do tough stuff, getting you ready for calculus. Some that don't pass, maybe 30%, sadly, don't pass. I wish now summer's usually better. I love teaching summer. Usually get about 80%, sometimes even 85% pass in the summer. And anyway, how do you pass? Why do people not pass? How do you pass? It's time. It's just time. This class, minimum 20 hours a week. I can't imagine you being able to make it with less than 20 hours a week, because I'm going to cover 2 sections a day, and there's 2 lecture homeworks and 2 regular homeworks due Monday through Thursday, plus a practice exam, plus regular exams, all that stuff every week. You got to put in tons of time. All the help you need is out there. There's videos, there's my office hours, there's Elijah Mua's, our tutor, lots of help, but you have to put in the time. People that put in the time make it through. People that don't, they don't. So it's really all about time. And like I said, watch the homework system video after this one. Summer college algebra in the summer of 2021. I'm excited. I love teaching summer. It's my favorite time of the year. Summer students are fabulous. Pass rates are high. You guys are committed. I love helping summer students. It's great. So let me finish with this. Yes, that is a Christmas tree in the background. And I don't know why. I'm just in our little extra upstairs room here, and there's a small little Christmas tree that one of my daughters uses in her room during Christmas, even though it's now June. All right. Everybody always asks me about that, so that's why I thought I would tell you that. Welcome to the